Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. Your Apple Watch is paired, charged, and updated. Once done, put the watch on your wrist and open the Activity app on the watch or the Watch app on your iPhone to access goals. You're not setting everything yet, you're starting the change. Tap your current move ring or choose Change Goals. Make sure to keep both devices nearby so settings sync immediately and avoid accidental double entries when you adjust targets. Now you'll edit each ring. First, select Move to set calories using the plus and buttons, then Confirm. Next, choose Exercise to change minutes, and finally Stand to adjust hours or stand reminders. As you go, glance at your weekly trend data to understand what's realistic. This helps avoid big jumps that feel discouraging. Once you pick numbers, press Update or Done. You'll see rings animate to the new goals. Make sure the changes reflect on both watch and iPhone. To finish, verify that the new goals appear on your watch face and in the iPhone Watch app. The rings should reflect the update immediately or within a few minutes. If they don't, restart your Apple Watch and iPhone, then check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections. That resolves most sync issues. Once synced, set reminders and consider sharing activity with a friend for accountability. If problems persist, unpair and repair as a last resort, but only after you've backed up your watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.